Alright, hello everyone. I'm very eager to go with you guys with the first topic of our Chinese lessons. The lessons today is Chinese language is not difficult, alright? Whether you believe or not, you always have to believe in yourself that if you commit to studying, Chinese language is quite easy, it's not difficult, alright? Okay, in Chinese is not difficult, which means 汉语不太难. Alright, let's go with what we are going to learn. First, we are going to familiarize ourselves with the first 5 new words. Alright, so I will read such new words and you guys can repeat or you mimic me at the same time. I will try to read slowly because my goal is that you can remember and mimic after me after each time I read. Alright, so now the first word is 你好. 你好. Alright, so you might recognize that this word, the tones is the third tone. Alright, but you little bit recognize I do not say 你好, right? Because whenever you see there are two third tones standing together, okay? Always you say 你, you will make it become the first tone, alright? 你好, okay? 你好. Okay, next one is ma. Ma. Let me explain a little bit for you guys this word, because this word is like you will learn the grammar in the next few lessons, but at the moment, which means isn't it? It's like in the English, you know. For example, if I say, does he go to school? Doesn't he? Okay, doesn't he? Which means ma. Okay, you put it at the end of the sentence, which means you want to ask a questions. Alright, so the next word is 很. 很. Okay, so this word which means very. Alright, 很. Alright, the third tone, 很. Number 4 is 不. 不. Okay, remember with our fourth tone, we have to speak the word clearly and short. Okay, 不. Number 5 is 太. 太. Okay, this one you need to push the air out of your mouth like 太. Okay, which means big. Alright, big. Okay, the next few vocabulary. Alright, so we're gonna cover 5 vocabulary for the first lessons today. Okay, the words 难, 难, which means difficult. Alright, next one is 汉语, 汉语, which means Chinese language. Number 8, 英语, 英语, which means English language. Number 9, 学, 学, which means learn and study. Number 10, 忙, 忙, which means busy. So remember, if you remember this word, 很, you want to say very busy, so you're gonna say 很忙, 很忙, which means very busy. Alright, okay, so now we have just finished the first 10 vocabulary together. I want you guys to go back and revise such vocabulary at least 2 or 3 times, okay, before we go to the next sections of our lessons today. Alright?